This is Jonathan Sims coming back with another video. I just went live a while ago. Mama Q came in, Papa Q came in, Dan Boy came in. NH Girl 83 came in. I just want to give them a big shout out. They came in. I'm boiling water, 2 spoons of butter, and 1.5 cups of sugar, and mixing it. I'm gonna make syrup, not syrup, like syrup. I'm gonna dip apples in it. I'm gonna dip apples in it. This. I'm gonna dip these apples in that. There. It won't look like that, but it'll be like syrupy. I'm gonna make some syrup. Get it boiling. And turn on that. Yeah, it's a microwave / fan for the oven. And the stove top. I'm gonna let it boil. It's all the way down boiling. Turn it down on 7. Turn it down on 7. Turn it down on 7. And just let it boil. I want to thank them for coming on, talking to me. I'll be going live probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'll go live. Not tomorrow, but I'll probably go live Friday, July 19th. I'll go live, and I'm gonna keep on stirring this till it turns syrupy. I hope y'all like my live stream yesterday and today. I'm trying to get it good. I need a better background. Go watch Mama Q's live streams, Papa Q's, hunting and stuff with J&J. It's called StreamYard. It's better than live stream. You can bring people on. I didn't know how to do that. I bring people on. I'll figure it out pretty soon. Get used to the live streams and all that. I made NH38 mod. I made Papa Q a mod, Mama Q a mod, and Dan Boy a mod. It's that Blue Ranch. You know, you make them mods. There'll be mods in my next live stream. If y'all want to be coming on, I'll make y'all mods, and y'all can be lit up blue like them. And yeah, I'll just talk to you, and I'll be doing videos here on my phone and live streams on my laptop. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification, turn on the bell, comment down below, and I'll heart your comment. And peace. Love y'all guys. Be safe out there. Safe wherever y'all at. And I'll catch you on the live stream on my laptop on July 19th. Peace. Love y'all guys. Be safe out there.